Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. As y'all can see, I got another. I'm gonna call this a surprise car because I didn't know this, but I figured I'd share this with my subscriber. What I'm working on, what I'm talking about, this 2013 Dodge Avenger. Let me show y'all something. Okay, I was in the middle of replacing the throttle body. This thing had, I can't remember what the fault code was, but after doing a diagnostic test and the load test on the wiring, never just replace a part based off the name of the fault code. Always do your testing. I end up testing from here to the PCM and determined that the connection was secure. I load tested the wire. I don't do an ohm test. I do a load test, and I'll go over that testing in a separate video. But anyway, my conclusion was that I need to replace this. This is electronic ETC, electronic throttle control. So it is eternally shorted out. But in the process of replacing it with a new one, which is this one, brand new, I found out that it has been redesigned. Okay, what I mean by redesign, I think they changed the diameter of the bore and the electronics in it, because as you can see, the connectors are not even the same anymore. All right, so this old connector would not work in the new throttle body. So what we have here is, this came in the new throttle body, so I essentially had to build the kit, the wiring kit, and I'm gonna have to splice it into the old harness. Okay, the only thing I can assume is that because we've had a lot of problems with connections, so they're going away from this old style connection and going to a new secure connection. I can understand that. I totally agree with that. It's just that this sprung up on me. I am in the middle of a hurry job, and I really, I had to inform the customer that she's gonna have to wait a little while longer because I got to get this harness spliced in. But this is the new redesigned throttle body. As you can see, it's got a plastic cover on it as opposed to this one, so we're no longer using this type. And this car is a 2013 Dodge Avenger, so I'm sure it applies to the 200s, all the small cars that utilize this little 2.4 engine here. All right, so I don't want to keep y'all long, just give y'all a heads up. Make sure the instructions comes in the box. So if you get a brand new one, you pretty much, you can stop the video and look at this. If you get one off a pull-apart car or something like that and don't know where the connection go, but it's not going to matter because you're going to need this connector. So if this is on the old car, go ahead and cut all that off and transfer it to a new car. All right, so I don't want to keep y'all long, man. Yeah, I got to get this all spliced in together, get it working right, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.